Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to add HTML code in WordPress. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, I'm going to add HTML code inside of my page. So I'm going to my page section and I want to add HTML code in this page. So I'm going to edit this pricing table page. So after that, click on this little plus icon and from here select custom HTML and now paste your HTML code here, then click on update. And now let's see the result. Basically this is a restaurant menu HTML code. So here you can see the item has been added through the HTML code. And now I'm going to show you another way to add HTML code to WordPress. So go to Appearance, then open Theme Editor. So suppose I want to add the restaurant menu inside of my main index file. So here's the index file. Select this file, then now here we can easily add the HTML code. So suppose I want to add HTML code here. After adding, then click on update file. Also you can add HTML code on your widgets. So open widgets and now drag this custom HTML on your widgets section, and I'm going to paste my code here. And you can give title here, then click on save. Now if I refresh my website, so here you can see my menu has been added in my widgets, and this is a very big, okay, no problem. So this is how we can add HTML code to our WordPress. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.